Let's take a ride.
And canoe.
Just you and I, somewhere we've never been.
There you go. Good girl.
Get up and rise. Loosen the ties.
Thanks for joining me, Rick.
Thanks for having me. Enjoy the rest of your trip.
Thank you. Good seeing you.
Right
Yeah, you too,
now
man.
I'm gone, but I'll be back again.
Really, Willow?
Right now I'm gone,
Oh, son of a bitch.
but I'll be back again. I'll be
Willow,
back
it's moose poop.
before too long.
Willow, where are we?
We can sit a while and I'll
I know you
sing
can't
some
talk. We are on Sawyer Lake.
songs about where
Yes, we
we're
are.
going, not where we've been. We can do it all and I'm
Willow,
back again.
time to make camp. Chop, chop.
Let's take a ride. Just you and I, somewhere we can have some peace. We'll get up and go. The peace will come slow.
Stop rolling
Trust that we'll
poop.
never leave.
It's full of poop. Yeah, stay away from me. Oh,
Right now I'm gone, but I'll be back again. Right now I'm gone, but I'll be back again.
yeah. Yeah.
I'll be back again.
All full of moose poop. Eh? We're gonna call this Moose Poop Lake. Eh? Moose Poop Lake.
About where we're
But
going, not
not
where
for you.
we've been.
So sad, eh?
We can do it all and I'm back again.
No one's here. Hey, no one's here. It's okay. In canoe. All right, out canoe. Good girl. Sorry, Willow, you got to work today. You got to earn your keep. Damn. Mucky. Oh, it's not too bad, actually. All right. Out. Out. Good girl. Where are you, Willow? Time to go to work again. You don't look too impressed.
Let's stay for a while.
I know. I got to carry gear too, you know.
Somewhere we can call our own. Sit by the shore. No needs anymore. Give in to the great unknown.
Okay.
Oh, but right now I'm gone. But I'll be back again. Right now
Misty Lake.
gone, gone, gone. Oh, but I'll be back again.
Yeah.
I'll be back again before too long.
Willow, where are we?
We can sit a while.
Second night, we're on Shaw, finally. Last time I was here about 18 years ago.
We've been. We can do it all and I'm back again. We can have it all and I'm back again.
Quagmire. Yeah, the black flies are out on Shaw Lake. Hey, Willow, we don't like them. We don't like them at all. So my son Ryan and I were on this campsite 18 years ago, coming July, on Shaw Lake. So my meal tonight is boobies. Chicken breasts on buns. You are a very spoiled girl. But she wore a backpack for all the portages today. About 5 kilometers in portages. So we're going to give her a treat today because she was a good girl on the portages. Willow's sleepyhead this morning. She hasn't come out of the tent yet. It's like it's almost 6 a.m. Let's go see how she is. Hi, you okay? Hey, sleepyhead. Yeah, there's my girl. There's my moose poop girl. So, Willow, are we ready to tackle the Tim River? Hey? Are we ready? Girl. We gotta do 1,100 meter portage to Tim River, okay? Woo! Wait, Willow, come. Or not. That's a nice boardwalk. Tim River portage is muddy. Oof. Willow, where are we? We are on the Tim River. First portage on the Tim River. There's one little speck. Some pretty fish. Let him go. Our little speck. Hey, take care. Willow, where are we? We are in Chippewa on the campsite on the point. One speck for dinner so far. So on the Tim River today, I met this guy, a YouTuber, Derek Outdoors, and he gave me a sticker. He had like 2 or 3 cameras on his canoe, and he was going up the Tim River to Roseberry tonight. Hey Willow, dinner on the shores of Chippewa. Doesn't get much better than this, eh? Hey Willow, are we ready? We're off to White Trout from Chippewa. She's ready.
we do. Giving good blessings for me and you. It's those little things we do.
Is the bear gone? Let me know. I can back off. Okay, I think we're good. Feel better? Now the bonus of double carry sometimes is I let Willow run about. That's what she loves to do. When she's got the backpack on, she stays on trail and she knows it's work. We go back to get our second load. Equals fun time. Sorry, Willow. No moose poop around here. That's what she's looking for. There's big trout. Eyes are out, but they're not biting yet. Coming out of the narrows from big trout to white trout, and those are the big cliffs. This is the a well spring behind the cabin on white trout. Fresh water coming in, and you got to pipe it down in the cabin. Cool. Woo, come on. Willow, where are we? We're on white trout. Yeah. It is wet Wednesday on white trout. Willow, we having fun yet? Yeah, you're a good girl. Even in the rain. Good girl. Okay, we'll give Willow some pine needles for her bedding. The rain's starting to let up a bit. We're gonna try like making a little fire. Okay. And it's pretty wet. Get some coffee in me. Now we're camping. Hey Willow? Curled up beside a fire and some pine needles. It's a nice speck, eh, Willow? Very nice speck. Oh, beautiful fish. The McLaughlin Farm Depot on white trout. Safe for the night. A sad night. Last of the booze, one day short of my trip. Breakfast of champions is beef jerky and breakfast pita. Very foggy morning on White Trout. Getting organized. Fog is lifting, Willow. You gonna get in? Come on, let's go. Chop, chop. Chop, chop. Willow, in canoe. You can do it. Chop, chop. Chop, chop. Come on, in canoe. In. Ah, I'm a pussyfoot this morning, eh? Damn. 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 Where are we? Willow, where are we? Macintosh. Chop, chop. Willow, where are we? We're in Timberwolf. 11:30. Let's go. Chop, chop. In canoe. In canoe. Damn. Cooking water for dinner. Willow, where are we? Hey, we're leaving Jubilee. Damn. Willow, where are we? We're back on Rain Lake. Damn. The mouth are on the bottom. Those are fall fish. I saw a whole bunch on White Trout. I had them swimming around my legs. I was up to my knees in the water.
Let's take a ride, just you and I, somewhere we've never been. We'll get up and rise, loosen the ties, all we've been holding in. Right now I'm gone, but I'll be back again.